KJV Bible Now app, read and study verses, prayer, and devotions. One of the really popular Bible apps. Bible Now provides an offline Bible study tool that people use every day to read, listen to, and prayerfully supports the daily Bible reading and prayer with a completely free Bible app. So carefully selected Bible verses, create your own Bible verse notes, keep a prayer journal, and then you can just see quite high ratings, 4.9 out of 5. Daily Bible plans, Bible answers, guided prayer. So let's just install it for you. So just double click to install, and then you can just see Rocket Shield browser technology. So I don't know, 190 megabytes. You can see the reviews. I don't know, to be honest, whether all these reviews are legit or no. And then you can just open it up. And then you can just tap continue and then just proceed with the start